Man on, don't turn there.
How's that not a handball, ref? No more warnings, next one goes in the punt. Clear your line, get it out of here.
Come on, ref, it's a yellow all day.
Last minute, everybody forward now.
Second yellow, you have to card him.
That's your second yellow. Off you go.
Keep the line, keep the line.
Kansas City! Everybody forward now!
Descent again, and you're getting close.
Keep the line.